What's up, everyone? Welcome back to episode 7 of Fired to Acquired, where we go from getting fired on June 5th, 2023 to having a software company that gets acquired by the end of 2024. Have a ton of super exciting updates for you guys, but first, yes, I did change my shirt since the intro, and yes, we are going to Las Vegas. Mattress.AI is going to the Las Vegas furniture market. Let's get into it. What is the Las Vegas furniture market? Some of you might be asking yourself that. It's maybe the biggest furniture show market in the world. A huge area where there's tons of buyers and sellers. Almost every major retailer that sells furniture goes to Las Vegas. One major concern that I had is because of everything being last second and budget, I didn't have an exhibitor booth. That's where you have a booth set up, a table, a laptop, a whole setup. And one concern I have from being at previous companies and being to these shows is sometimes they don't love people just having a backpack and walking around and passing out flyers and talking to people. So what I did, I called a couple friends who I knew had been to the Las Vegas furniture market. Here's a clip from one of those conversations.
Blake.
What's going on, man? How are you? Everything's good for the most part. I did, like a month ago, I got fired. So that has caused a bit of chaos. Yeah, anyway, I think I told you in the text that I was planning on going to the Las Vegas furniture market. I saw that last year you had went, right?
I've been a lot of times. I've been there 5 or 6 times prior for other companies.
I basically started a software company. It's a chatbot, basically. I'm planning on going to the market, but I'm planning on kind of doing like a backpack approach, you know, where I just have my stuff on me and I'm kind of walking around talking to people. I was just hoping to get a little insight from you about what you thought about that idea.
Did you register to get in?
There's one that's like $50.
A $50 registration gets you in the door, right?
Yes.
Everyone's everywhere. So there's 3 buildings that everyone just kind of goes from one vendor to another. You're definitely going to be walking past a lot of people.
Is there like a technology section where there's like SaaS products?
There's people that have booths set up like that. It's for anybody that's going to help retail for the furniture industry. So
sure.
If you fit that, which it sounds like you do, that'd be a good fit for you to go. 2 of my buddies, and that's what they do. They just get an exhibitor pass and they just walk around and, link up with their connections and try to introduce themselves to new connections. That's all. They don't have a booth. They just walk around the whole time.
Okay, that's great to know because that's basically what I'm going to be doing. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate the help, man. That makes me feel a lot better.
You got it.
Then, before investing all this time and money and energy, I wanted to make sure that I had a working product that I could show, and preferably a product that I could get people to sign up for and start making some money. So I checked with the team in the UK, and they said, yes, 100% we will have a live, working, sign-upable product by the end of July when the furniture show starts. So with those 2 things set, it is off to the races. And as I was doing some searching and looking, I found the perfect event for Mattress.AI. It's the Innovation Summit. It's July 28th, a couple days before the Las Vegas furniture market starts. And it's for retailers and also sellers of high cutting edge, high tech services for the furniture market. What could be more perfect for Mattress.AI? The team in the UK is kicking butt. They are working so hard and it's all coming together. And on the front end is the landing page, Mattress.AI. We also have the ability to log in, set up a username and password. Then you can see the dashboard is live and working. The upload inventory tab is working. The sessions tab is working. the launch chat bot feature is not working. So where we're at now is we have the front end somewhat set up in terms of structure, and we have the back end, the chat bot, some of the communication pretty much set up. Now, just like a engine and transmission and the body of the car, we gotta put these things together so that we have a product that we can deliver come Las Vegas. They are working extremely hard because once we do have that deliverable product, we also have to have a demo environment so people can try it out without putting their credit card in. And we have to have some sort of flow where they try the demo, then sign up for the product, get a 10-day free trial, then have their credit card hit. So there is a lot of work to do. Not to mention, once all of that is done, I have to hook up my MailChimp flows into the product so that when customers do certain things, they're communicated with effectively. So yes, a lot of development work still needs to be done. But they promised me, and a promise is a promise. And the good news is, with the landing page set, the look and feel of Mattress.AI is set. Tanya did such a good job creating the different color palettes and the feel. So I've been working on things like handouts for walking around in Vegas, as well as business cards to hand out in Vegas. And I made a decision to, instead of doing t-shirts or colored shirts with the name on it, to instead do patches. So let me show you what those look like, and let me tell you my thinking behind it. So at these furniture shows, these are fashion or design type people. They don't love the tech polos with the little brand on it. From what I've seen and the research I've done, it's good to dress up, have a decent shirt. Then we'll just have the Mattress.AI.com as a patch on the front back of the shirt, and then you can also do it on a backpack so that when we're walking around in Vegas, we look nice and we have the patch and people can start to interact with us that way, but we don't just look like someone in a collared shirt. Now, I've said we a couple times in terms of people who are going to Vegas. So you might be asking, who is we? One person who's included in that we could be one of the developers from the UK, the guy that I originally reached out to on Twitter. He's playing with the idea of coming if his schedule allows. The other person who's definitely included in the we is my mother. So she's coming to Vegas with us, just who you always want to take to Vegas, your good old mom. And I'm super excited to see her in this furniture show environment. The hustle, the bustle, the talking to people. I think she's gonna absolutely kill it. This is a woman who got signed up to be a distributor for Mary Kay. 6 months later, she's driving a pink car, okay? I could not pick a more perfect person to bring with Vegas to me to do deals and talk to people face to face. I'm super excited to hang out with my mom for a few days. For real. Also, mom had a bunch of frequent flyer miles, so that's gonna help us save money. And that brings me to some of the expenses that I mentioned in this video. So, the innovation conference that I'm super excited about, it was $150 a ticket, so that's $300 for me and mom. Those patches, 20 of those patches was $170. So you can see where we're at with our $3,000 budget for Mattress.AI. That's a total update on Mattress.AI. In a few days, I'll probably have another update for you guys. So like, subscribe, stay tuned. Things are gonna start moving extremely quick, and hopefully money starts coming in extremely quick. All right guys, I'll see you on the next one.